Hey guys, Rob here from Rabid Automotive. Welcome back for part 5. Finally, we're about to lay some colour down on the Project Rabid trailer. It's been undercoated, it's been sanded back with some 500 wet and dry, just a nice light rub. It's been washed down again with a degreasing car wash, and it's been wiped down again from end to end with prep wash. It's time to lay down some colour. Not really much of a colour, it's gunmetal grey, so not a whole lot of colour. But we're going to lay some paint down, get this thing all coated up nice and even, get the clear on, then we'll leave it here to dry for the night. Come back tomorrow and put it all back together to finish it off in part 6. But without further ado, let's spray. Rob from Rabid here. It has been a hell of a long day, but I'm happy to say all the paint is done, the clear coat is done. It looks a bit patchy now because the clear coat's still drying, but tomorrow I'm going to come back, buff it, put it all back together, rewire the tail lights and finish product. I cut out a lot of the painting because my GoPro's about to go flat, so it wouldn't have made it anyway, but stay tuned, one more episode, we'll put it all back together and it'll be a finished trailer again. Cheers.